Jackie, look at that beautiful dress. It's gorgeous. Can we go inside and take a look?
Lucy, I thought we were just window shopping. You can't go into the store. You'll end up buying more stuff.
It's just a quick look. And it's on sale. Maybe there are some good deals on discount. We can't waste a good shopping opportunity.
All right, if you say so.
It's just a quick look. There is nothing to be afraid of. Let's go. Look at this dress. It's so elegant. What do you think, Jackie?
Well, it's really nice, but I prefer the other one.
Which one?
The blue one over there. I think it will suit you better.
That one is really nice as well.
Hello, ladies. Looking for something special?
Not really. We're just looking.
This pink dress is on sale. It's 50% off.
Really? How about the blue one?
The blue one is not on sale. That one is from the new collection.
Oh, I see. What about those shoes?
These sneakers are on sale, but the high heels are not.
Let's have a look at that blue dress. How much is this dress?
It's $179.
Do the belt and hat come with it?
No, but they're on sale. The belt is $19 and the hat is $29.
And how much is the pink dress?
It's $89.
I see. I'll have a look around, and if I need anything, I'll call you.
All right.
Look at these bags. Aren't they gorgeous?
Yes, they are.
We need to get at least 2.
Lucy, I thought we were just looking around.
I know, but I can't resist. Look at this red handbag. I think it suits you well.
I'm not going to buy anything. I bet it's pretty expensive.
There's a price tag. It's $129. That's a good price.
How about that green one? It looks nice.
It's cheaper. It's only $99.
I don't think it suits me. How about that brown one?
This one is more expensive. The label says it's made in France and 100% leather.
It's really nice, but it's too expensive.
But it's a bag that will last forever.
I'm sure if I get it, I'll get sick of it very soon.
All right. Forget about the bags. Let's talk to the attendant. I want to try that dress.
The pink one?
Yes. I would like to try on this pink dress.
What size are you?
Small.
I'll bring it for you.
Where is the fitting room?
On the left at the end of the corridor.
Thank you. Jackie, what do you think?
It looks really nice. How does it fit on you?
It's a bit tight on the waistline. I think I'll try one size up.
Should you go for a medium instead of a small?
I think so. It will fit me better.
I'll ask for a bigger size for you.
Thank you.
This is a medium. Try it on.
This is much better now. A medium size fits me perfectly. It's much more comfortable. What about you? Aren't you going to get anything? I always see you wearing the same clothes.
I have plenty of clothes. My wardrobe is pretty full, so I won't be getting anything today.
All right, if you say so. I'll take this dress, please.
Sure. What about you? Aren't you going to try anything?
Nah, I'm okay, thank you.
What about high heels?
You said they are not on sale, right?
Yes, because they are from the new collection. But they are stunning. You should try them on.
Why not? I'm already here anyway.
Try these high heels. They'll match your pink dress perfectly. I'm sure you'll look fabulous.
What size are these?
They're a 36.
I think I should go for a 35, but I'll try it on.
So, how does it feel?
Let me walk a little bit. I think it's a little bit big. I'll try a smaller size.
High heels are more comfortable if you leave some room inside. Perhaps a smaller size will be too tight.
I think you're right. I always end up carrying my shoes after a party.
What about sunglasses? They're on sale.
Jackie, do you need sunglasses?
Maybe. The ones I had are broken.
Great. I'll try the blue one, and Jackie, I think you should try the golden one.
If you say so.
They look amazing on you too.
I don't think so. It doesn't suit me. What do you think, Lucy?
I agree with you. Let's try another pair. Oh yeah, this one is much better. What about me?
You look absolutely gorgeous. I think we found the right pair of sunglasses for us. Great.
What about the bags? They'd go well with your new sunglasses.
What do you think, Lucy?
Let's go for it.
So, which bag are you going to take?
These bags are quite expensive, especially the leather one made in France.
I understand, but they're exclusive. The purple one right next to you is half price, from $5.99 down to $2.99. It's a great deal for an amazing item. Hold it in your hands so you can feel it.
It's actually really nice. What do you think, Lucy?
It suits you, and it matches your outfit. I think you should take it. It has your name all over it.
But it's $300. It's quite expensive.
But it's a beautiful bag. Don't think too much. Let's take it.
If you say so.
What about you? Aren't you going to get one?
I'll take the one made in France.
Great choice. Would you like to pay separately?
Yes, please.
How would you like to pay?
I'll pay with a credit card.
And I'll pay in cash.
Perfect. Thank you very much, ladies.
Thank you.
I didn't want to buy anything, but I ended up buying a bag and a pair of sunglasses.
That's okay. We got a great deal. So many good items on sale. We could have spent much more. And you got yourself a beautiful bag.
But we were just supposed to be window shopping. Now I have almost no money left.
It's okay. We'll survive until we go out again.
If you say so.